The date time was the temporal variable. Now we'll see for the discrete variable. Discrete variables. You'll understand what does the discrete variables looks like. So discrete variables, we need to check for it. So basically, first of all, let me tell you what does the discrete variable are. Discrete variable is basically the variable that have finite number of values. Let's see how it looks like. Let's create a list of it for var in numVars, because we are dealing with the numerical data. That is why if length of data var dot unique, I hope the spelling is right, is less than 20 and where not in year where's id. So what it is doing, it is analyzing var for var and numbers. Basically it is saying that if the data of the var, if the var, if the the data in the data frame is the unique, if there is a particular variable that in the data frame that has less than unique 20 unique variables, and it is not present in the year variables list, then we need to print the not print, what we can do is we can simply call the len and see the discrete vars. Okay, there's an error here for now, not string. So I think there's an error for the, let me check, var for var in numVars, if actually it's plus 14. So basically we are having the 14 discrete variables. We have the 14 discrete variables, and now let's see the data of the discrete variables dot head. Let's see the how the data frames look like for now. So okay, so these are the discrete variables. These are the discrete variables which are having the finite number of values. Okay, okay. So that is good. That is good. And as you can see here, that these are the basically qualification and yeah, number of rooms or the grading scales. Okay, so these refer to the number of rooms or units. These refers to the number of rooms or units. So now let's see the contribution of these in the sale price. Let's see the contribution of these in the sale price. Again, we'll be creating a function for it. Analyze the discrete data frame comma var. Okay, and we are going to have the df dot copy df dot group by. Now what we can do, we can call the var. We are going to grab the sale price and we are going to calculate the median of it, and we are going to plot a bar of it, and plt dot title where plt dot y label, and we are going to have a sale price for it, and plt dot show. Okay, and now we are going to iterate over all the discrete variables and call the function. Okay, So as you can see, it's really easy to see how we can calculate the contribution of variables for the target variable. Okay, so now analyze value, we can call it, and we can call it with the function analyze. Okay, so sorry, I did a very wrong thing. Just a second. Where's that? Analyze the discrete. We don't have to analyze the NA values. Okay, there's an error. I was hoping this. So there's an error in this and this one basically. Let's see what is the error. Group by. Okay, we don't need to put this here. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, anyways, so we are having this, we are having these data set for now, and now we can see that there is a relationship between the variable numbers and the sale price. Okay, so whatever the discrete variable numbers are, we have the there's a relationship between it, but this relationship is not monotonic. For example, see the overall qualification variable here. Well, this is the overall qualification. There is a monotonic relationship. The higher the quality, the higher the sale price. Okay, so overall quality, this particular variable, the higher the quality or higher the sale price. So basically, this grading system, most of them is not monotonic. So how, let's see another variable, overall condition, overall cond. This is this one, overall cond. There you can see there is a there is this relationship is not monotonic. This relationship is not monotonic. How, as you can see that there is a grading system of 5, but it is still performing better than others. So although this is having the grade of 5, but it is performing much better in the sale price. It is performing much better in the sale price, but it is not necessary that higher the values, higher the sale price, it is not important. Okay, so we need to be careful on how we engineer these variables to extract the most for the linear model. So basically, some variables are monotonic, some variables are not monotonic. So whatever the not monotonics are there, we have to take care especially for them, and we have to be careful for it that whether these monotonic and non-monotonic variables doesn't disrupt our model. Okay, so we cannot put everything on the same plate. We cannot put everything on the same plate. Okay, now let's see the continuous variables. Now